Hello everyone, it's Dan Eaton here and welcome back to an update video on our HMO conversion project. But here is the finished article, and I would be saying tenants are moving in. Unfortunately, sometimes in property development, things don't quite go to plan. So for example, on this one, when we plumbed everything up and turned the water on, there was not enough water pressure for the property. What that does mean is in the meantime, I can show you around the completely finished property before they start moving in. So this is a 8-bed HMO conversion, and let's have a look around. So into the kitchen, because this is an 8-bed HMO, what we have done is basically put in 2 of everything. So effectively we've got one kitchen on this side and we've got another kitchen on this side. So 2 tall fridge freezers. We've got 2 hobs, 2 ovens, and basically 2 sinks, dishwashers, and a washing machine in here, so that the 8 tenants can basically use the kitchen simultaneously. One of the things that was interesting about this project when we started is we didn't know this part of the building was actually here because it wasn't on any of the plans. So as soon as we knocked through that wall, we actually found a really decent kitchen space. So this is the kitchen. This is our standard specification for these type of projects. And then into this bit, we've actually got a much nicer sort of living, cozy, snug type area for the tenants down this side of the building as well. We head back out there, I'll go and show you one of the rooms that we've set up, and you'll see when we look up at HMO rooms what type of tenant we're after and how we specify the rooms for their needs. So this is one of our rooms, and this is the standard that we provide for our HMO tenants. So big room, ensuite, we provide all the furniture as well as the fittings that they need. So because this is for working professionals, we give a specification that they would expect to see in their HMO rooms. And that also goes for our ensuite bathrooms as well. So this is the show suite, so none of the other rooms are ours. And again, it's a slightly smaller room, this one, than the ones we've seen downstairs, but again, still ensuite. So we've got a lovely ensuite bathroom there, decent size for wardrobe, chest of drawers, and everything that you need, everything that your tenants need. So this one's very similar to the last one. This one's very similar to the show suite downstairs. As you can see, again, really big room. Someone's stolen the light bulb already. Tenants, there's no one even living here. And then upstairs there's a bit of a room, and it's a nice little room actually. It's got its own sort of dressing area really. So into this one you can see they've got a bit of a dressing area as well as the bathroom. So this building originally was an old merchant house, and over the years it got carved up and converted. And when we took this project on, it was supposed to be bed sits, but being that it's 2021, people don't want bed sits, they want lovely high quality ensuite accommodation. So the numbers on this project, we bought this particular project as part of a portfolio, so it's a bit difficult to say exactly what the purchase price was, but the conversion cost to convert it into what you've seen now is about £110,000. Now the average room rate in a property like this, in an area like this, is £550 a month with all bills included. So that means this property grosses about £4,400 every single month. Now when we take off the mortgage and everything, we're probably left with about £2,500, depending on the interest rate that we get, because we will be refinancing this as part of the portfolio. So we're really happy with the product that we've got for the money that we have invested in this project. So there you go, we've seen the entire project. You've seen it on the channel through its process and now to its finished end state. If you want to see more content like this on the channel, make sure you hit that like, subscribe and hit that bell notification. Now we've got about 3 or 4 other projects on the go, so I'm going to go off there and we'll see you on the channel with those projects very soon.